As per checking the feedback on my assignment number 1, I will have to use my personal tracker DBMS design. This is the conceptual design of my DBMS. The diagram shows the relationship of user, food, gasoline, and bills. It shows the connection of users to the other entity. Relationships created are user to food, user to gasoline, and user to bills. Instruction number 3, the diagram shows the logical design of my DBMS. The relationship type of order connects entities user, food, gasoline, and bills. The relationship is one-to-many as my DBMS design is for personal use. It shows the connection of user buying food every day, the user's bill, and the user's purchases of gasoline. For the normalized relation of my DBMS, I have created 1, 2, 3 tables for this. So I have table for food, table for gasoline, and table for bills. For the logical design of the food and the normalized output, it is in the second normal form because location is dependent to the restaurant and the restaurant can have multiple branches. The gasoline table should be in third normal form because location is dependent to the gasoline station. The gasoline can have multiple branches and the amount should have the different table. This is under third normal form as there are other data that are dependent to each other such as the gasoline and the gallons and the total amount. Table bills is under second normal form as account is dependent to biller and the biller can have different account type. So after the creation of the conceptual design, the logical design, and the normalization of the database, so I am now going to discuss the SQL queries of my DBMS. I have already finished running the queries as per the instruction, as you can see here. But I have deleted the database and I will just recreate it for presentation purposes. So let's create the database. So the database is available, so you will have to create the database of my DBMS final project. We're now going to create a table. So these are the queries for the creation of table and we are now going to check the tables under our database. So tables, bills, food, and gasoline have been created. We are now going to show the creation of new entries for the table. Let's create new entry for the table bill. So an entry has been added under the table bills. Select from bills. Select asterisk from bills. Select asterisk from gasoline. There. So I'm now going to show you how to update information. So let's update the table gasoline. Let us set gasoline station to Petron where gallons is 24.5. So we have Petron and Caltex before, and let's check it now. Okay, we now have 2 Petron gasoline station and the table has been updated. And to delete, so let's show tables. Let's delete under table bills. Select from bills and let's delete a BPI entry from our table. So there. Before we have 3, the Metro Bank, Security Bank, and BPI now. BPI entry has been deleted. So for the useful commands for searching, let us use the table of food for example. So let us describe food. So select food from where we're going to use the keyword Mamu to look for the restaurant Mamu and trade close. So that's basically all of my SQL queries and the diagrams for my final project. And I think if I'm going to use it, this should be a web application and I'm going to use PHP, MySQL, and HTML for the design of my DBMS. And that's all, and thank you.